pitch line to right center field. That's in the gap. That will plate Gomes, and the Indians lead is 2-0. Kipnis holds at first with a 2-out RBI single. He's 2 for 2. His 32nd run batted in on the year.
There you go. Big base hit on a changeup. 3-1 fastball count. Kipnis kept his hands back and gets it right back up. You know, a lot of guys get anxious. They want to try to pull the pitch. Well, that's a changeup. It was elevated. He kept his hands back enough. That's all you need is a base hit. Well done by Jason Kipnis. 2-0 Indians.